we're going to go over the website. So at the very top, you can see there's a new, I guess, tagline, you can say. So Vertcoin is GPU mineable Bitcoin. And that is fundamentally true in the sense that Vertcoin is a commodity blockchain currency, just like Bitcoin. Exactly the same. I mean, the fact that our core wallet, we incorporate all of the upstream security updates and updates from Bitcoin. So our wallet and all the other stuff, the blockchain itself is foundationally based on Bitcoin. We have different indicators, so we have a different supply. Our block times are different and things of that nature. But the major differentiating factor for Vertcoin from Bitcoin, because a lot of people ask me, well, what's the, why Vertcoin? What's the point of it? It's like, you love Bitcoin. Tell me why you love Bitcoin. All right, apply all of that to Vertcoin, but make it so that you can actually mine it at home. That you don't need specialized hardware, you don't need specialized tools and equipment and tens of thousands of dollars to even get in the game. The whole point of Vertcoin is that you can mine it at home on your gaming computer or on a standardized GPU, and you can contribute to that consensus. You can contribute to making sure that all of the transactions are validating. You can participate in that and receive the rewards from that. You can't do that with Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now, you have to pay thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to an ASIC manufacturer that you hope doesn't have a backdoor into that system, so that when you go to hook it up, you're using your power, you're paying your power, and you hope to God that the ASIC manufacturer doesn't screw you over by being able to remote into that and to take your profits and things of that nature. Or you don't have people like CZ over at Binance who talk with less than 10 people and are like, yeah, we're going to roll back the entire BTC blockchain using the hardware you paid thousands of dollars for to mine on, because they'll just remote in and use all of your hash power in order. They'll point the pool, the BTC.com pool or the Antminer pool. They'll point it at the alternative chain and roll things back. Now, that's not what Vertcoin wants. Vertcoin wants that GPU mining capability to be as diversified as possible. Decentralization. I mean, that's why we're all here, right? We wanted a decentralized network. We wanted a decentralized platform project, all of that. Nowadays, when you look at cryptocurrency, everybody doesn't care about decentralization, it seems. But we stick to those key tenets. So Bitcoin, we follow every aspect of that. The only thing we are different on is that our circulating currency is 84 million. I think it's 84 million. Yeah. And 2.5 minute block time. And we're GPU. We maximize GPU efficiency, and we want GPUs to be the king when it comes to mining, not ASICs or FPGAs. Now, it doesn't mean that those won't continue to try to keep up on us, but that's where we have to be active as a team and as a community to do that. So right at the top, we have the Vertcoin desktop wallet. We have our introduction to Vertcoin video. So this was, I think, almost a year ago that we got this created, and it's still relevant to this day. So I played that at the very beginning of the broadcast before I came on the stream. Then we also have our QR codes here. So if you want to donate to the Vertcoin developer team, and this is the thing here. This is a kind of a tenet that we're going to continue to hammer home. No pre-mine, no ICO, no airdrops. And I'm going to touch on that a little bit more as we get a little bit further into the show with regards to some actions the SEC took this week. But then we have, mining setup, Bitcoin versus Vertcoin, and you can see kind of the way that we're shaping this is that we are in direct, not necessarily direct competition with Bitcoin, but we are Bitcoin. We're just GPU mineable. That's the major differentiating factor. So whenever you talk to anybody about what is Vertcoin, why Vertcoin, I've never heard of that. And you're like, well, have you heard of Bitcoin? Yes. Okay, why do you like Bitcoin? Okay, well, do you want to mine it yourself at home on your own computer? Well, then there you go. You have Vertcoin. That is why Vertcoin is here. And that's kind of the thing that we're going to keep hammering home. But we have a few pages here. So we have mining set up so that if, that's kind of the thing we're kicking it. We want everybody to mine. We want everybody to be able to participate. So here we have a step-by-step guide on how to mine using our one-click miner. And of course, if you ever have any problems, swing over to our Discord and we'll help you out right away. The one-click miner, we're going to be doing some graphical updates, hopefully, in the future on that. We want to, I know one of the ideas that we're kind of kicking around, and we're trying to work around the technical limitations on that is with the whole Verthash stuff is we're also looking to make the one-click miner kind of an all-in-one. So you have your wallet, you have your miner, you have your P2 pool, all in one piece of software. It does it all for you. You don't have to have all these other different things going around at the same time, making things more complex. We want to make it as simple as possible for people to be able to start mining right at home without having to be an expert in computer science or anything of that nature. So that's what you can see here with that, with this section here on the website. So then the Bitcoin versus Vertcoin. So here we actually talk about all these things, the differences between Bitcoin and the achievable security and the things that we're looking to do with Verthash. With especially with Ethereum right now, that's kind of the GPU king when it comes to mining. Ethereum goes to proof of stake. Where are all those GPU users going to go? We want them to come to us. We want to be the dominant GPU mining algorithm in the space, period. So here you can see the differences between Bitcoin and Vertcoin and kind of the way that we're going about tackling that. We go over to the community page. Here we have a list of all of our different community outlets. So Insight Explorer, Vertcoin Statistics, all this stuff, Vertcoin Talk. So here's our YouTube channel, Twitter, Discord, Reddit, our Reddit mining, GitHub, Wikipedia, all that stuff. So we have all that listed here. And then one of the things that we have down here at the bottom that's not necessarily at the top is the specs page. So here we talk about the actual specifications surrounding Vertcoin. So it's built on Bitcoin, and we go through and we hit, our block time. We hit our mining algorithm and the purpose of it, and the difficulty adjustments using Komodo Gravity Well. All of that is found right here. So we try to make it as simple as possible for people to ingest and to be able to share that information to other people. So by all means, swing over to Vertcoin.org. Check out the new website. Give us some feedback inside of the Discord, and if you see any problems or anything like that on a particular browser, let us know. We'll make those adjustments there.